Hindi ka natutulog, ano? Tatawagan sa cellphone, tapos may chatbot, tapos ang haba ng instruction. Detail yan, detail. Kaya yung ganung style, talagang na umuulit sa pag ano, kahit sa city, ano, ah, yun ang, yan ang mga, para pa na si General. At, nagpapasalamat ko sa sir dahil tulog ko rin ako sir. Sa mga classmate ko. Bisa ba classmate ko? Panahon ng niligawan namin, na nag-enso si Cutie noon. Yan, si, maalala ko noon nagliligawan kami, grupo. Nagliligawan pala, nakakyat kami ng ano, ng Mount Makiling. Tapos, namumuno si ano, si General Rivera. Tapos, kwento ko niya po tayo. Hanggang kasama niya si Jonah, tapos akyat kami doon, ligawan, tapos may swimming. Pero pa, feel pa na lang, grupo lang, nag-enjoy lang, nag-usap, nag-social, walang di ba max doon. Kasi may bantay, natutulog pa ano ang driver at ang ano namin, ang gamit namin, jeepney, jeep na. Yung mga kaya sa mga pag-establish ng relationship, pag-create ng band, tsaka sa class, magkasama ako ng class 91 at maraming pakasalamat ako na tulong na binigay sa inyo wala yung mga tulong sa inyo at yung bonding natin ito hindi ako makatagal sa section. Harap ko natin sa mga naging tawag ko sa Army Signal Regiment, tapos sa staff, General Personal Staff, sa staff ng HPA, tapos sa mga territorial battalions, maraming salamat sa inyong support. Itong dalawang taon na ito, naging smooth sailing yung kakuman at lahat ng hindi ko makukuha yung guidelines o yung performance kung wala sa leadership ng staff at sa cooperation ng mga battalion commanders. Sa buong ASR personnel, please stand up and be recognized. Salamat sa inyo po. Kay member ng JCISP. Tapos sila General Viterio, sila General Bob, Admiral Vice Admiral, Commodore na. Hindi, Colonel, tapos biglang nag-Major General, kaya Bautista. Technically, mas marunong ang sa ibang bansa natuto ang technical ng signal na at humahabol ako sa kanila sa technical know-how. Lalo na sa ang signal kasi ng Army Survey purely communication. Pero sa kanila, mayroon silang radar, mayroon silang sensor, meron silang weapon system. At dahil sa engagement sa kanila, mas pag nasa J6, mas lumalawak ang kaalaman at yung function ng signal at doon natutunan yung mga other function ng Sicorizer. Salamat. Stand up, sir. To be recognized. These are quoted in Kalina from Cesar to Basics.
Ayun ang mga boss, mga retired.
Sa mga
Retirees.
na-mention yung si Paulo, sila Loy, sila BN. Please stand up yung mga stakeholders sa ASR.
Ayun, mga
Thank you very much
boss.
po technically saka sa pagiging supporting sa artisanal revenue. Okay. Officers and staff from higher headquarters and other stakeholders. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. As I stand before you today, a wave of emotional washes over me. After nearly 37 years being in the service, dapat sir, 40. 57 ako sir. 17 years old ako nung pumasok ng KV.
Wow.
Kagagraduate ko lang ng high school. Kaya 40. Pero ang tinanggap lang ng service is 37 sa hindi tinanggap yung mga security tapos apat lang yun. It is more than
Mathematician eh.
moment to deliver this valedictorian test. This yearly mark made by duty, honor, and service has been one of my profound significance, not just for me, but for all of them as who have shared this mission. My journey began as a young cadet. It was filled with rigorous training, discipline, and the forging of lifelong bonds. The values instilled in me during my time, courage, integrity, loyalty, excellence, have been my guiding principles throughout my career. From a cadet filled with dreams and aspirations, I evolved from a civilian into a military officer dedicated to serving our nation. To my senior officers, your leadership and guidance have been instrumental in my career. You have shown me the true meaning of dedication, professionalism, and strategic thinking. Your trust in my abilities and your constant support have empowered me to take the challenges with confidence and purpose. I especially want to thank the Commanding General of the Philippine Army. Sir, your vision and leadership have been source of inspiration. Your unwavering commitment to excellence and your guidance have been a pivotal in shaping the Army Signal Regiment in what it is today. It has been an honor to serve under your command. To my PMA classmates, Nimsa, we have shared bond that goes beyond mere friendship. Our journey in the hallowed grounds of the Philippine Military Academy to our discourse we have held is a testament to our unwavering loyalty and camaraderie. Together, we have faced rigors of training, the trials of service, and the joys of accomplishment. Your companionship has been a source of strength and pride. To my mentors, your wisdom and counsel have been a beacon throughout my career. You have shaped me into a leader I am today, instilling me the values of integrity, honor, and resilience. Your lessons have guided me through the most challenging times, and for that I am eternally grateful. To my Army Signal Regiment family, sir, Colonel Corpo, sir. Yan naman ang memorize. Yan ang mga sir. Siguro sir, hindi ako nag-graduate dahil sa mga ano sa mga squad mate ko. Kung kilala niyo sir. Pero okay lang. Kaya ko sa akin.
Dolphy talaga.
Ah, tapos, latong namin, sa panahon yun, kadet lang. Yan. Mga sigaw pa lang yun. Nanginginig na kami. Pero kung ito nakikita sa pagkakot na sa General Kaparan, General Corpus, sa yearly, mga matatalino, kaya isa na magulalo. Yan sila General Sentino, isa na national sa Minister nito, Parakel. Bukas sila lang sila. Pero si Colonel Corpus, hindi siya ng kapo. Kumukuha lang ng time. Tatago kami sa kwarto, makikapagpunan. Tapos, ito, pekto ng pekto. Yung isa pinamalas pa rin sila eh. Ganda natin yung roommate nyo eh. Tapos tatamaan lang. Mas may mga pa. Pero, sir, thank you very much sa pagpapalaki sa amin at yung hanggang ngayon ay sumusupport pa rin kayo sa amin at ang Army Signal Regiment kung madalas yung mapansin, binibisita palagi ng si Colonel Cruz. Hindi naman si Colonel Cruz kasi dapat siguro naging busy sa sa kanyang trabaho sa to my Army Signal Regiment family. You have been my comrades in arms, my trusted allies in every mission we undertook. Your dedication, loyalty, and hard work have been the bedrock of our successes. Together, we have achieved milestones and overcome obstacles, and for that, I am profoundly thankful. It is your spirit and determination that have made our achievement possible. Lapan natin ang RC. To my civilian friends, your support and friendship have been invaluable. You have stood by me through thick and thin, offering a listening ear and a comfortable presence. Your encouragement has been a source of motivation, reminding me that the world extends beyond the military and that true friendship knows no boundaries. To my high school classmate, Xenia,
Yes. The best friend. The best
you
friend
were
of them
at
all.
the beginning of my journey, the values to learn and the bonds we formed have stayed with me throughout my career. Your continued friendship and support have been a source of joy and inspiration. Lastly, I extend my gratitude to my family. Sir, ang family ko, sir, ay si Judy ay nasa US na. At siya ang nag-aalaga sa mother niya sa mga 87 years old na. Kaya nasa US, US citizen tayo, hindi makapunta dito. Ang daughter ko naman, sir, ay nasa FEU at orientation na tayo. Kaya next set ko, gratitude to my family, the unwavering support and understanding have been my anchor. The long deployments, late night calls,
Congratulations.
endless commitment
Congratulations sa apo kong
bearable,
poging-pogi.
and the knowledge that your love and encouragement were always there, steady as a rock. Reflecting on my career, I am reminded of the countless experiences that had shaped my journey. From the early days of training to the critical missions we undertook, each moment has been a learning experience, lessons in resilience, and a testament to the power of teamwork. The friendship we have formed, the challenges we have overcome, and the triumphs we have celebrated together will forever be etched in my memory. Our successes were never the result of individual effort, but the collective strength of our team. It is this camaraderie, this unbreakable bond that has been the cornerstone of our achievement. The Army Signal Regiment is not just a unit, it's a family. A family that stands together in the face of adversity and supports one another through thick and thin. To those who will continue to carry the torch, I offer this advice. Remain steadfast in your dedication, uphold the values of integrity and service, and never underestimate the power of teamwork. Future of our regiment and our army
The
depends on your
successor.
commitment and passion. I have full confidence that you will continue
He
to
is the
build
successor.
on the foundation we have laid and achieve even greater heights. As I step into retirement, I do so with heart full of gratitude and hope. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. I live knowing that Army Signal Regiment is in a capable hand. Ay, sigang pala. 8 signal pa tayo walang ulit. Alam mo yung and I look forward to seeing all great things you will accomplish. Farewell, and may you continue to serve with honor, courage, and dedication. God bless, and mabuhay ang Army Signal Regiment.
Yes, salute! Salute, sir!
Alam tayo mabuhay ang Philippine Army. Bukas yan.
Salute! Salute, sir! Salute! 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 Salute!
Sir,
Salute!
unang unit ko sa Army ay ang 2nd Infantry Battalion. At ang letter P kasi ang pangalan, P, ang papel. Pero kasama ko sila, ang kanilang paglalagay ng kanilang call sign is starts with P. At ang bigay sa akin ay Pelican. So, gagamitin ko yun para to all the networks. Volleyball.net, this is Pelican.
Signing off.
Sign off.
Yes! Yes! Salute! Golden gold ka talaga, sir. Proud of you.
Alejandro Papa are honoring. Once again, a big for Brigadier General Papa. We'd like now to join everyone.